Hi, it's Richard here. What is Learn, Implement, Share? Well, we run fantastic online courses for middle and high school teachers who want to create engaged learning environments with their students, mostly in the field of mathematics, but also for teachers of other subject areas. But we also have a ton of free stuff that we want to give away. There's thought-provoking articles and interviews containing tips, tricks and strategies, and a series of excellent free tutorials designed to change your world. Now, when you subscribe, we'll send you an email every couple of weeks, so over a long period of time, you get everything free that we have. Plus, we'll keep you in the loop with some really cool things happening in Learn, Implement, Share land. There's more information on this page, but if you got here from YouTube, there's links in the description below. So, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the inside.